All right, so skate park physics is what this is called. You can do this either with a real skate park, any sloped section of any hill in your area, even a loading dock would work. We're fortunate that we have a skate park in town that we can take a full day to go to, or a full morning. If I have multiple classes, I can do 2 classes at once. Now, with this one, there's a couple of different activities or like mathematically based kind of concepts. It applies real world physics in terms of thinking about big air competitions at the Olympics, at the X Games, anything like that. Anything where you have somebody at the top of a ramp, a big drop, and then a launch jump at the bottom. Now, it is very mathematically driven, so make sure that you've done the formulas for potential energy and kinetic energy before you go out to do this. And the question set up for this is, if you have a big person and a little person at the top of the ramp before they go down, who hits the bottom going the fastest? Now, the physics is there that they're going the same speed. Now, the speed is the same, the kinetic energy is different, right? But the speed is ultimately the same. So when we go to do this, that's the big surprise for the students, but they have to think about manipulating that formula to make them be going different speeds. How could you do that? What do you make somebody else do? And so going through that as that part. The rest of the worksheet is there. It's self-explanatory for you. There's a part where they're going to measure using their cameras or a stopwatch the actual speed at the bottom of the ramp just to get the energy. And it's just practicing doing the calculations, but they're going out into the real world to do it. And that's where the benefit of this experiment or the activity comes from. So it's fun to get outside. I love getting outside for all my classes, but this is one of those options or opportunities where you're going to be able to do that and have a practical like outcome where we're applying this concept of physics into the real world. All right.